Good morning from another day on the boat. This morning, bright and early, the motors turned on and we left Lombarda. We just passed Korčula, the place we were exploring yesterday. And today we want to take you guys around for a day in the life on this boat.
Subscribe to follow along.
Keith is still asleep, as you saw, and I am going to sit and enjoy this beautiful sail and read before breakfast, which is being prepared right now. So I'm excited to take you guys along because look at this, like, what is life? Okay, let's go to the reading spot. A quick stop to look at the sunrise because you can actually see it even though it's like 7:30. I slept in more than yesterday. Sorry guys, but look at this. The sunrise, as you can tell, is gorgeous, but as you can also see, there's lots of clouds in the sky. And again, we can't control the weather, so it might be a cloudy day here on the boat. Either way, it's still gorgeous, and fingers crossed, it clears up, but if not, we're gonna enjoy this beautiful cloudy day. So, upstairs to the reading spot. That was a lovely little reading sesh, but it is now 8 o'clock and I just heard the breakfast bell go, which means I have to go wake up Keith and it's time to head for breakfast. Oh, I could just stay up here all morning though. This is so nice. Good morning! He's awake!
Hello! I'm awake now, looking forward to coffee. Bit of a gray day, but that's alright, it can change hourly.
Coffee in the morning is always so good.
Made an egg sandwich with bacon, and the bacon's actually, quite good. Good. That was a lovely breakfast. Wow, I ate a ton.
So full. They give you a lot of food on this boat.
Second cup on the deck, enjoying the view. It is such a peaceful day.
It is.
There's no wind. It's calm as can be.
And right now we are making our way to where?
Hvar.
This boat tour so far has been pretty incredible. We started in Dubrovnik, if you've watched our last few videos. And then last night we were
on the island of Korčula. We went to Korčula yesterday. We actually stayed in Lombarda, which is a small town, which is nice. That's where we swam. And today we're going to Hvar on another island. And then after that we're going to be in Split.
It's lovely.
It's amazing.
Enjoy our coffees. And I have to catch up on Harry Potter because I fell asleep last night while Keith was reading. Well, it's raining, our first rain on the boat, but it's kind of cool. We were upstairs, luckily Keith grabbed all the stuff and brought it down. And now we're in this wall of rain. We're dry right now right here, but hopefully it doesn't last too long.
And it's been a couple of hours. It's still rainy.
We've just been cruising along. Yes, it's still been raining, but every day there's a stop either before or after lunch where they anchor up so you can go swimming. So even though it's raining,
we're gonna do that. We're gonna jump in.
So we're gonna
beautiful blue water. I can't see underwater, but I know it's incredibly clear and incredibly blue. And guess what? There's masks on the boat.
Let's go down!
Okay, just grab the mask because there's some sea urchins. So obviously you don't want to touch them because they can sting you. I think they're slightly poisonous. Anyway, it's very painful if you touch them, but they're black and they're everywhere. and up. Woo! That was a nice swim.
That was amazing.
Right on. And now it's time for lunch. Let's get some cozy soup. After that nice swim, I got my cozy clothes on.
Some soup for lunch after a nice swim. It's perfect. A nice warm up. It's so good.
This does look really good. Nice broth after that swim. Oh my goodness. And these meals are so home cooked and so flavorful, you know? So comforting.
Oh my gosh, wow. That's beautiful. Spinach and potato is my favorite.
Right?
So good.
Devin doesn't like tuna, and I've always tried to get her to eat tuna, and here she is, eating tuna steak, and she doesn't even realize it.
It does not taste like the tuna
Boom,
we have in
it's
Canada.
done. I sealed the deal. I brought her tomatoes, cucumbers, fish, seafood, tuna. Thank you.
This is not canned tuna. This is different. This is fresh.
All thanks to
It's
Go
good.
Croatia Sale. We don't eat tuna steak very often. It's excellent. Boom. I told Devin to start filming me because I'm gonna nail this whole thing. It's really good. It's a really good homemade tiramisu right here.
The rain has finally stopped. Everything's still a bit wet, so we're still under the canopy.
Took a nap, been doing some work, and now it's a bit sunny. Sun's coming out.
Perfect timing because the boat should be moving shortly and we will be heading
Into
to the port.
Hvar, which is also the name of the island, we found out. There's Hvar behind me. What's really cool is that they have a parking order. So right now we're waiting because we're 8th in line because they park side by side, right? So here we are, just waiting for our turn.
Got my night clothes on and ready to go.
And now we're moving into the park, ready to go.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Holy smokes. Now it's time to get onto the island.
I wonder how they do the logistics for all this. It must be a massive WhatsApp chat.
Very impressive.
Because this is crazy impressive.
Boat number 1 to number 2. 3. 4. This is number 5. 6. Almost at the end, I can see it. This is number 7.
One more.
No, we're on the land.
Oh, we're done. One more bridge.
We made it to land. Hooray!
All right, first things first, we're gonna get a vantage point. See this whole place. And just like that.
Look at this view behind us. This is insane. So we just walked up and
Just like that.
we're not all the way at the top of the fort
You
yet.
can
but we
keep
wanted-
going higher, but there are trees.
Yeah, and we wanted to show you this view because it is getting dark and it's gorgeous.
It's insane.
It's our boat. Do you see it? The one I'm pointing at. We can see our boat from here. It's so cute.
With 2,760 sunshine hours, Hvar is the sunniest of the Croatian islands.
Also, apparently, this Hvar town is known as the party island town of Croatia as well. So 2 interesting things. Also, it was rainy today, so I think
Yeah.
we took the 1 day of rain for you. So when you come, it'll be sunny. Keith, what's happening?
Took my shirt off. This shirt, I'm definitely not gonna keep for next travels because it's like made of plastic. It's very hot.
I think also you thought it was going to be a lot cooler than it is the main thing.
Maybe, I'm wearing
And
pants.
we're hiking up a hill.
I'm not that warm, but I am actually that warm. Okay, I just remembered that our tour guide said something about clothes not being worn and fines. Wasn't there, like people not wearing shirts and stuff? So we'll put it back on.
One place apparently Keith can't be shirtless. Maybe, we don't know if that's true, but we're going to play it safe just in case.
It's 7:30, so that means the church is gonna ring. Wait, on the half hour?
If you know why, let us know. We made it to the fort. It's right there.
just like that, it is nighttime over Hvar Town.
So we'll stay at the bottom because the whole pass can be dark, so it's not gonna be anything
Didn't think of that. And we made it to the bottom.
Our next goal is to find somewhere to eat, but it's really busy, also really beautiful, but it might...
Really pretty.
Keith's got some places on Google Maps, we're gonna check it out and see if we can find a place to eat.
But it might be hard.
We found a place and our cruise friends are downstairs. Like, what the heck? It's awesome. There's a menu and it looks like a reasonable price and it's a really great vibe, so I'm excited to see what we're gonna eat.
Well, that was excellent food.
So delicious, and we are pooped from our day on the boat, but as you can see, the nightlife is bumping here.
It is bumping. Not this specific street because it's quieter so we can speak to you. But it's
But
bumping.
we'll show you, yeah.
Yeah, that seafood pizza was really good. I'm happy I got that.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Wow, Croatia, we're loving you.
Yeah, Croatia's amazing.
We made it back to our boat. We're so pooped, and we know this is a nightlife place.
Everyone's out partying and we're like, we're gonna go sleep.
We're gonna be lame. So we're gonna head back to the boat. So let's walk through all of our 7 boats. We made it back to our boat!
Good morning. Oh, that was pretty cute. That wasn't timed at all.
This morning we left Hvar and are making our way to Split with a swim stop this morning at 9 a.m. We said our video was going to be a day in the life, but this morning we woke up and it was so sunny we realized we had to continue.
It's sunny
at
and
least
beautiful,
a part of today.
and the landscape has changed, and it's our last town, Split, coming up.
And it's been pretty cool. We had a really calm day, a rainy day, and now a windy day, so we're getting all the weather well. We're boat lifing it up.
I really find this comfortable though. I really like this little breeze.
It's lovely.
Got your water bottle. Now we get some sunshine, bit of a breeze, and then we jump in the water because it's pool time. I mean, swim time. It's not a pool. I mean, it's a big pool.
This is really nice. This boat does a really great job of giving you the perfect balance of lots to do and some nice chill time. Which for Keith and I, this is really great because usually our chill time means computer time, but this forces us to just be out in the sun and enjoying it. Especially after a rainy day yesterday, we just want to take in the sun. This is a perky. You have to jump off the same thing, and it's so much bigger.
We're gonna jump on this top thing though, so you know. We told you. Ready? 2, 3. Whoa! And the boat's starting up again. Back to work for Keith and Dev.
/ reading here.
I'm gonna read on a deck here. The sun is out. On our way to Split, our last town. Jeez, today's been amazing.
Every day.
Wow. I mean, I guess today it's only 10:30.
Yeah, boat life.
Jumping off the boat is a lot of fun.
Okay, do you see that? That's our boat. I'm pointing at our boat right now in that line of boats. So cute.
Well, you moved your finger a bunch.
Oh, can you see now? Am I good?
Yeah, you moved. Let me. I'll position myself so that I'm in the right spot.